escaping
Ayan
dyan.
na.
Ooh.
Ilang taon na, no?
Meron ba dyan ng ito? Wait lang. Wait lang, wait.
Walong taon na.
We are in a hotel.
Brother?
Ooh.
Ha?
Ooh.
Eh, wala pa ng internet ko. Wait lang. Meron ba dyan?
No smoking.
Para binalik.
Okay, we are in a hotel, but the one thing is fun facility. There's so many people here. As you can see, they are doing something. This is my cousin's hotel. Yeah, that's my cousin's hotel. As you can see, there are go home, I think. It's their last day. It's their last day. Yeah, this is their last day. As you can see, I'm in an amazing hotel. My cousin's hotel. Yeah. There's a kid. I don't know what they're talking. They're talking like some countries or something. Oh, I thought they just go home. They just started. Okay. Oh. That sounds weird. The security guard. I just said to the security guard. I don't know why.
Nag-enroll din sila kasama sa school nila.
Tapos na meron.
Pero may extra payment siya.
Wala ba sa gym?
12,000. Pero yun rin ang